Time is but a will. Alrighty. Let us build. Nice. All right. Well, let's get this page built. Help authors, storytellers, and creators transform their worlds into interactive games that readers can explore directly in the browser. Right. I'm trying to create something like this. What is this background color? What is this default? Let's just go on the front end. That. Yeah, let's do this. God damn it. Okay. White. We don't need a border. Okay. Yes. Is it 4? Yes. Okay. Oh, I'm actually using the white. Shit. I think I'm gonna put a picture here though. Yeah, well, let's keep it like this for now. Bold. Does it not have padding? God damn it. Alright. This. Let's try that. Oh. Form name. This is Studio Contact. This form. Add subscribers to these lists. Yeah, I need a new list, I think. This is Orbem Studio Contact. Cool. Just out there for now. Oh, there we go. That's what I was looking for. Aha! Nice. Melpo, it's a pretty good plugin. I'm not mad at you. Oh, nice. Okay, show me. So check your inbox, spam folder, information. Go to page. No. I think that works. Now let's refresh. And let's add the correct list. There we go. All right, so now everybody who signs up using this form will be added there, and I'll know exactly who to contact. Fantastic. Let's get the... Whoa. Yes, Melpoet has a lot of control. Cool. All right, back here. Let's replace this button now with a Mailpoet subscription form. Wait, what? Oh, I probably need to refresh. Yeah, there you go. Cool. All right, well, that's not correct, but maybe it will be. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, that worked. All right, let's do this right, and we'll do a Orbem. Put you guys in there. Should I put on the left? I think the right works. Yeah. Yeah, that should work. But this needs to be full width. Why is this not full width? Oh, the form has padding. I gotta get rid of form padding. That's input padding. Yeah, here it is. Thank you. Nice to play with you. Yeah, I could probably make this bigger then, I guess. The button's not big enough to take up that whole space. What up, Beto? How you doing, bud? Man, it has been a while. Thanks. Yeah, appreciate it. You took a look at it? Hell yeah. I mean, I've been updating it like almost every day. You like the demo game too? Hell yeah. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Ooh, that's too big. Definitely appreciate it. Short one in Spanish? Yeah. That'd be awesome. I need some more culture in my games. That's for sure. That'd be cool. Yeah, man. Do it. Yeah. If you have a website you want to build a game on, that'd be really cool. I'm doing great. You know, just going fucking balls to the wall on Orbem Studio. Been building, you know, a couple demo games. I have, you know, a couple of them on itch.io now. We got the Haba Master, and then we have After Hours. It's very different games, you know. Just showing like the power of this game engine. You know what I mean? Like changing perspectives, a cozy, you know, just chilling game where you choose, you know, what happens to these ships basically. And it's replayable because there's so many different options. Like you can send to the harbor, deny the ship. So I'm gonna send him to the harbor. And he's like, cool, I'm out of here. And then there's 4 different ships, and depending on like who you deny and who you send, like the dialogue changes and the ending dialogue changes. There's 16 different possible endings. And this just kind of shows a little bit different style of game that you could build on Orbem Studio. Like it doesn't just have to be a giant RPG game. Yeah. I've been messing around. And then we have we also have, what do we got here? After Hours, which is kind of it's more like an experiment. This one basically is just like an escape room.
I really thought it might be that one.
Just trying to get out of this room with interactive buttons and stuff.
Still locked.
Yeah, And that's really what I'm trying to get across, is that
I already tried a button.
Orbem
It
Studio is
didn't
about
open the
design.
door.
It's about
I
designing
can't remember
systems. It's
which one
about
is
designing like the game, not how to code, not, you know, spending a million hours getting a shader correct. Like, it's about building a game. Like, you want to build a game, that worked.
There
You
it is.
build it
Good
with
thinking.
Orbem Studio, because you can build it completely be, you know, only thinking about the way it looks, the way it sounds, you know,
Wait,
and then you
hold
just use the
door.
tools to build it. Woohoo! No code, just creativity, you know? If you're a musician too, man, game music's the best. Hell yeah, me too. It's a long time coming. I've been building this for like 4 years. But yeah, it's only the beginning. I mean, the problem with this fucking tool and system is that it's endless possibilities. I mean, there's so many game types out there that I haven't even scratched the surface. You know what I mean? Like side scrollers where you can jump. Like, I don't even have jumping in the games yet. Side scrollers, jumping, fucking turn-based fighting, you know, Final Fantasy style, or you know, Kingdom Hearts style games. There's so many types of games out there, like Flappy Bird games, you know, that you could easily build a game like that. I could build racing games, you know, just being creative with it. So yeah, that's my main focus now. Actually, what I'm doing, I'm building a landing page because I'm going to start reaching out to authors, indie authors, you know, fairly successful indie authors that want to build a game based off of their books, just like I did, for marketing purposes, you know, offering a new side of the story for their, you know, of their book to their readers, you know. And I'm offering the game building services myself, so I'll build it for them. It's not like I'm saying, hey, you know, use this tool and build your own game. That's like step 2, because I've realized early on now that it's really hard to just convince people to learn something that they don't know why they need, right? Even though it's really cool, that's like the farthest I'm gonna get, is people going like, oh, that's really cool. You know what I mean? So yeah, my main focus now is trying to show agencies and stuff like, hey, look, I made a bunch of money building games for, you know, all these fucking authors and people that like want to build interactive stories, even if they're not authors, little indie game devs, people that want to just throw together a D&D campaign. Like I made real money doing this. You can too, you know. Use this Orbem Studio Pro, you know, offer a license to them, and you go to town. You can start offering it as a new fucking outlet. Like my buddy just said, I want to sell the shovel. I will give you the tools. Now build. Yeah. And someday you'll be offering it to your clients too, Beto. In fact, you should start offering it to your companies right now. What's a better marketing tool than a little game? You know what I mean? Shit. Gamification's everything. And you know how many like product pop-ups you can put in a game? Like, oh, I love this shirt. It's like, oh, it's for sale. You know? Like those old like Pepsi games and those old Domino's fucking shitty little games that they used to create, like endless possibilities. And it's, you know, it's different what I'm offering because it's browser based, 100% browser based. So that's real-time updates, just like any sort of content. That's SEO possibilities, just like any other web page. You know, you get your schema right, you get your keywords in there, and it's super organically findable on any search engine. because it's a web page on your website. It's getting indexed. Like, you can't say that about any other games. You know, yeah, you can have it on Steam, and I put mine on itch.io just to kind of have a place to hold them, even though they're hosted on my website. I mean, Harbor Master it's on Orbem Studio. It's also, so is After Hours. They're games hosted already on Orbem Studio, but I wanted just another outlet. Yeah. No, it's huge. Yeah, if I can position myself correctly and make sure the tool is usable, and people really see the benefit in the games for their companies and stuff, it should turn out pretty well. You came to me again because you had an interview today for a software engineer. Hell yeah. WordPress position. You got into the code assessment and you're super nervous. Oh no, you're going to do it next weekend? Yeah, code assessments are tough these days because everybody's so like weird about AI. And if you're used to asking questions and stuff, some people are like say, no, go ahead, go ask ChatGPT or whatever. But yeah, the only advice I could give is don't pretend, but really try. Because honestly, the best thing you could do is show them your thought process when you're trying to figure out something you don't know. That is huge. Trying to show people how you come up with things when you don't know it, you know, that teaches them a lot more than you being like, oh, this, oh, he already knew that. Like, I have no idea how he thinks. They're giving you a URL only and you're alone. Oh, is it one of those like test games or whatever where they send you and you just kind of go through it and live test? Never mind. Then everything I said means nothing. Yeah, it's kind of bullshit. Yeah, and I had people asking for videos and stuff like that where you have to like answer a bunch of questions in a video. It's just like, I get it. Everybody's a dev now. Vibe coding is real, and it's really hard to differentiate who are the seniors, right? And who are the leads. You know, resumes can be faked. Coder by, yeah. Yeah, all those AI coding tests are such bullshit now. Especially because you can just beat them with AI. But I don't know, man. I'm really trying to, I really hope that I can like get Orbem Studio off the ground and get people, you know, having fun and building and making money with this, because I'm like, I don't know what the fuck's going to happen in the software engineering industry in the future. You know, it just seems like jobs are being offered for less money every day because, you know, skill isn't as valued. And there's, like I said, there's so many programmers out there now. And I don't think WordPress is going anywhere, but it's different now. WordPress is focusing on AI website building, which is like alienating their WordPress programmer, you know, business, turning it into Wix or whatever. But we'll see. You could do it though. You can do anything as long as you try. So I'm so inspirational. Such a downer. I'm sorry. Yeah, but let's make Orbem Studio great. I'll hire everybody that I talk to. if you everybody help me, because I'll give you all a job. Promise. You can do it. I will give you all the confidence in the world. You have come a long way. You're doing great. So what I really need now to finish off this hero section is a great image. Yeah. 10 more years of green card. Hey, that's a long time, man. Load up. So in order to do this, I think what I really want to do for the image, I want to show like a book and then, or like a book cover and then a game. Like that would, I think that would visually make the most sense for what I'm trying to accomplish with this landing page. So to do that, I need, I think I'm going to use Orbem as an example. The problem is my book covers are not in the same universe as the game because the book cover is already in Orbem. Ooh, book open and a projection of the game in the cloud. Like a book imagination. Ooh, like a book opening and then a game shows up. Oh, that's actually cool too. No, I see you. Yeah. That would help me not have to have a cover that matches. Well, maybe I can fake it. Hold on, let me see. I want to open up my Orbem Studio Hero. Where's my hero GIF? Is this? Pretty sure I made it a GIF. Oh yeah, here's the hero GIF. But there's a hero expanded. No, I think that's the skinnier version. I think it was the one I use on the website. Yeah. Is this the one I use on the website? Why would I remember? Yeah, I think I'm using this one. Okay, I'll use this one as a template then. Size template. 2,970. All right. 2,970. Fantastic. So, we have book, game, empty, because we have the words. But I'm gonna have this be black. I guess it could be. Yeah, maybe just have the graphic just be the square. Maybe I don't need to be the whole hero. It's less impact. And how would I do it then? Because the book would open. Maybe I can have the book opening on the whole left side. And then the rest of it is the game. Yeah, like the book cover and it's like slightly open. Kind of like that. What is a book open? But like standing. Yeah, like this. Like this kind of angle. So it's kind of top down. I want it more straight. Kind of like this. Oh, yeah, like this. Yeah. Your book. Yeah, something like this. Preview, free, 3D. Okay, let's just copy that real quick. Let's do a quick mock-up. Oh, perfect size. Yeah, something like that. And I can have the cover, and then the whole game comes out here. Something like that. Right. It's going to be invisible. I guess you're not going to see it because it's going to be invisible and the background's black. And then the other side's going to be the game. So let's open up the... Well, let's just get a screenshot of the game. Maybe I can use my starter image as the book cover. Actually, I want to go to Thyrus. I think Thyrus has a cooler map. Alright. I'm gonna skip talking to you. And just... Do I like this side better, or do I like... I think I like the other side better. Oh, take forever, man. He's so slow. It's my fault. I had to have a speed character, so he couldn't be too fast. Yeah, this side's cool. Maybe like right here. Something like this. It'd be cooler if he was like talking to somebody though. Maybe we can hang out with her. With Jeannie getting blasted by a flamethrower. This wouldn't be a bad thing to have animated. just having her getting blasted with the flamethrower. Though I probably should have added a wall here. I thought I did, so like he can't come in here. Let's do that. See how easy Orbem Studio is? I just created a wall on the live game. Come on. I'm stuck. Son of a bitch. Not bad. Let's see if this works. Yeah, so it would fade in over here. So more like... We want it like regurgitating out. So I guess... Yeah, because I need more space on this side, so this would probably be better to have there. Oh, is that what you're thinking? Yeah, but I need a spot for the words. That's why I'm trying to keep it like left focused. Because I'm gonna have like the form and the words on the right here. All I have to do is, well, actually this should go on top. And then basically what I can do is recreate that sort of feel of it coming out of the book. We're gonna need a hard edge on this part. too much. And now, let's get some opacity down. See if we can fade this out. Yeah, I mean, I just don't like the inside of the book. I think that's one thing I'm not liking right now. I don't like the red. Like, I want it to be all pages. What? Almost. Let me see what you put again. It's kind of like stretching it. I like that. I think I'm going to do that. Stretch it. Yeah. I do like also how it kind of looks like a cloud. So maybe the cloud, because right now it just looks like a game. You know what? I think these pages are good. I'm going to put those together. I just want to make them black and white. In fact, I can do that to the whole book right now. It doesn't really matter. Because I'm going to change that cover. Let me see. Blur. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's I want it to like go across the page though. Because like if you look at Orbem Studio, you know, the most striking part is that it's the whole hero, right? It's like interactive. So I want to like keep that feeling. But what I'm thinking is I need to apply this mask. Which I always forget. I think I have to rasterize it first and then apply layer mask. Okay. So now I think what I want to do is stretch this part out a lot and then move it back. Oh, I guess I shouldn't have done that then. Yeah, that actually makes more sense, having the thingy. Let's go all the way to her. Yeah. Okay, I need to close this. I'm not going to use the timeline. And now I can stretch. 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 Hold on. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. Why is it stretching at an angle? No, that's probably because of the way I selected it, like an idiot. All right, let's do it like this. There we go. That makes more sense. Poor Jeannie. She got stretched. Yeah, now you're getting that like coming out of the book feel. And I think the next that I like too is that the whole thing was kind of clouded. So let's cloud the edges more. A little more natch cloud. Give it some shape so it's not just a big rectangle. Yeah. There we go. Now it's like a dream being made. I still think this might need to be a little more removed. So it's still coming out of the book more. It might be smart if I could oh shit. Yeah, I was trying not to move that. There we go. Like I need more stretch. So let's stretch some of this too. Oh, did you? What were you using? Were you trying to use Google? Because Google does not let you create accounts anymore. Unfortunately, when I submitted the plugin, they said no. We can't have Google SSO creating accounts. So you could sign in with Google, but it won't create an account, unfortunately. So yeah, I got to put a little time into that. Honestly, I think I'm going to add it back. I think fuck you. I think I'm just going to add account creation back. Yeah, you can only sign in with Google. You cannot create accounts with Google. You can create an account just using the normal account creation, which should be working. I thought I just tested that actually. What was it? Orbem.games. Yep, log in. Yeah, create an account. And then do like super cool guy 2. Super cool guy 2 at Gmail. Super secret password. Yeah, so it does let you create an account. Then you have to go back to the game, which is a little annoying. How do I go back to the game? And it logs you in, at least. So when you go back to the game, you're logged in already. Yeah, if you already had an account, it might have given you an error. Wait, what? I'm already logged in. Wait, what? Oh, I guess it fake logged me in. That's weird. My website sucks. I need to put some time into my actual website. I mean, this isn't Orbem.studio, but this is still important as well. Gmail.com. Oh shit, I don't remember my password. Super secret password. Oh no. I don't think I did that right. Yeah, I don't know. I already lost it. That's fine. Yeah, now I'm starting to think that this stretch is too much. Oh, you're logged in now? Hell yeah. Okay. I think the only other thing that makes your book thing look cooler is that it looks like an old book. But I do think this on a black background will look pretty good. I just need to have the right cover. I wonder if my book cover will actually work in this case. I mean, it doesn't look like the same story, but it is, for those who know. Not that I'm expecting anybody to know that. Get on there. Yeah, it needs to be a little bigger, and then I'll fit it. Actually, not too bad. I guess I should select this first. And now cut this out. There you go. So that's kind of cool, I suppose. Possible. It's just, I'm just wondering if the game itself should be a little desaturated so it's easier to see. All right, I'm gonna give this a shot. Well, first off, I'm gonna change this to black. Okay. And then I'm gonna actually desaturate this a little bit. Because it's looking a little too sharp. AI sharpen? Oh, dude, that's cool. I love all the new tools they've been adding. It makes it so much easier to do things. Oh, you already had an account? That makes sense. Yeah, I just don't know if blurring is the right route. Like a tiny blur. Just giving it a little, and then actually can brighten up a little bit more. Yeah, I feel like that gives it a little something, something. All right, I'm gonna give this a shot. See what it looks like. Interactive game, hero, and let's put this in Orbem Studio. And let's try uploading this. Right here. So wait, how did I do the home page? Did I use the cover block? I don't remember. Let's see. Oh, I thought I was logged in. Diffic. Oh, I am logged in. I used the cover block. Yeah. Let's just do that. No. Yes. And let's do this. Let's get rid of the opacity and put this in there. Get rid of you. Okay. Now we're talking. Let's see what this looks like. Well, we're gonna have to change some things. What do I have? I know I have some special classes and stuff. Homepage hero, and then I need the min. Hey, I put an overlay. 838. That's what it is. You. 838. We'll do full size. 838. All right, let's see what it looks like now. Cool. Not full width. Do I need to do that? What the fuck? Oh, it's probably because of the column. Shoot. I don't think I have a full width for the column. Yeah. Well, no, it doesn't look like the block collar cover is full width either. Oh, nothing is. Huh. Wait, what makes the homepage full width? Oh, I'm not even in a group. That's why. Ungroup. There we go. Yeah, now we're talking. Let's see. Yeah, see, something's wrong. This does not look good. What did I do? Oh, what the fuck? What happened here? What happened here? I need to clean this up. I left some remnants of the AI generated pages apparently. It's also looking a little bit stretched, which it shouldn't, considering I did the same size. But I guess maybe the GIF makes it look a little cleaner. So I might need to make this bigger. I need to upscale it. Possible. Okay. Clean that up. Okay. Looks like there's a fucking white film around the whole thing. Oh shit. Ah, god damn it. Idiot. Pay attention. There. Go around. Alright. Oh. This shadow is part of the image now because I'm an idiot. Oh my god. I need to add the shadow back naturally. Ooh, come on, dude. Yeah, let's do that. Still being a little stretched. I think I might have to change the max. Alright, try this again. There we go. Natch. Yeah, and I'm thinking we need to clean this up a little bit too. Like coming out of the pages more and less fading out here. Let's soften this out. All right. Anything else? That looks weird. Well, it's definitely too high. I need to give some space for the hero. I mean, for the header. That's one part. So I should move it down. Let's do that. Group these together. And move it down. In fact, I might need to make the whole thing smaller. So I can move it down a little bit. Yeah, something more like that. Let's give that a shot. And this is going to be pretty much the only real visual I need to put on here. That's not just screenshots of games and stuff, so I'm not too worried about how long this is taking. All right. Try again. Center. Is that the same one? No, I uploaded one. Okay. Okay. See what that looks like. There we go. Now the header, the header is under it. And it's cut out. I don't know. I think it looks stupid. I like the concept, but I'm not I don't think it's getting across what I was trying to say. And it's Just my execution. It's just not well done. I do like the book. I just don't like the game coming out of it. I don't think it's doing what I want. Oh, let me see what you got. Yeah, they're kind of stretching. Yeah, maybe the... Not a fan anymore. Yeah. I mean, I like yours because it's kind of like there's more movement all the way across. You know, where mine is kind of like dreamish, but it just doesn't look good. It just looks kind of like a shittily put together. But what was my first idea? Why did we come? What did I say at first? The first thing I said I was going to do. I liked your book thing coming out, but it was going to be... Was I going to use a book still? Or was I never going to use a book? I don't remember. I think I was going to have a book. A book in the game. Okay, so I was going to do a book. A game. Right. You're tired too. Yeah, I think I was going to have the book and then a game just behind it, right? Like no coming out of the book or anything like that. It's just, I like this concept. I think it just needs to be done better. Maybe a closed book. So I think what's happening right now is just like the perspective and the pages just kind of makes it look weird. But like if I was to redo this, yeah, if I was to redo this and delete this mask. Oh no. What the fuck? Oh, dude, what's my history level at? Oh, I guess I haven't even thought about that in a long time. General, file handling. No, not file handling. Where's the... Oh, history. History log. No. Wait, how do I... tools. No, not okay. No, workspace. No, interface. Where's the fucking history count? I feel like it's only at 20 or something. Units, cursor. Oh, here we go. It's at 50. Let's change it to 100. Let me see. Wow! I think that's cool. I like the idea. I think that's really cool. How upscaled is this? Where did these guys come from? How come it doesn't let me zoom in? Oh, you're eating ads? Nice. Yo, Sama, late to the party. What's going on, bud? No, we're just I'm creating a new landing page. And I like my concept, but my execution is bad. So I'm trying to, I don't know, but Beto keeps sending these cool AI renditions. It's just keeping the idea in my head alive. I'm just kind of like, yeah, like this, the magical overlay. Yeah, that's cool. Because I'm creating a landing page because I'm going to start reaching out to indie authors and offering them game building services. Basically, hey, your readers would love, you know, an extended version of your books in the form of a game, right? Or some extra content, dialogue based, you know. So let me build a game on your website, basically. Yeah, I like Beto. I really like this compared to this. Like I really like the idea now of maybe having that kind of overlay that might make it work. I just don't think I can do it with what I already have. So like I have to start from scratch. I wonder if I can throw this in there. No, I can't. It doesn't let you save it. How do you download this? Open image in new tab. It's like the same thing though. Send the first image maybe? Like I'm really into this one. I think the thing is like nice. That'll work. Yeah, I really like the reinterpretation of the game, because I think that's really what was throwing me off. Is like I didn't like the actual game graphic. It just looked too flat. Even that's what the games look like. But like this kind of tickles your imagination more of what is coming out, like a game's coming out. Yeah, it's a lot of color. But we can work with that. I think the only thing now is that size-wise, I'm going to have to use Photoshop to fill this in, which I can do. I actually need to move it down too, I think. And I need to get rid of the edges, I think, too. Ooh, that's not bad. Actually, wouldn't it be a bad idea to have that whole side gone? Yeah, it does look pretty good. What if they add to it? Yeah, what if I move the whole thing over? I can make the whole thing smaller. Because I'm wondering if I can fit let me get rid of this actually. I wonder if I can fit the like all the text to the right of it and leave this. I mean, it can be kind of like squirted in there. Squirted in. Because like I need half of the page for this, right? So that means like I need I need like that. What? And that for the hero. Let's see what we can do. Ooh, blue. I wasn't expecting blue. Oh shit. I love when it just like adds extra shit. Oh my god. They're all like melted looking. Look at these. Look at this up close. What the fuck is that? Photoshop just adding random aliens. It's perfect. I love it. I could work with this, but I don't want blue. So I'm just gonna say, try again, bitch. I love the little Graham character, like the reimagined, and Carol. Carol looks great up there. And then they added Anna from Frozen for some reason. It's good. I might have to regen this. It looks almost exactly like her. I think that is Anna. Could be wrong. Oh, look at that. Black. Looks good. Yeah. I think that's pretty good. Anna Grange. Yeah, so now let's flatten this down and then I can work with it. So now what I need to do is get rid of all the black, basically. That should be pretty good. I'm interested in what will happen with this on the website. Just want to get rid of some of the hard edges. All right, see what you got. Gotta go. The gambler always said, quit lying about green cheeseburgers. Still gotta fix the music and what's looking phone. Yeah, good idea. Thanks for jumping on, Sam. Always appreciate your presence. I'll catch you in the next one. Did you change to white randomly? Uh-oh. Something exploded. Hello? I think the game exploded. Alright, let's try again. What is happening? Why isn't it letting me change it? I mean, it's kind of a big image, but it's not that big. There we go. Well, no, that's what was happening already. There we go. Nice. Almost. I think that's cool. But I almost liked it better when it was all black. You know what I mean? I think it's fine if it's all black. And I think I just need to kind of like catch this edge a little bit more with more black. So let's get rid of this and this. And let's actually... add some more black on top of this. Fade a little bit. You think it needs to be a bit smaller? Let me see. It's too close to the edge. Yeah, maybe. You like the purple thing without the stars? Which one? You liked the purple thing without the stars? What do you mean? Oh, you mean the generated version? Or what? Sorry, I'm a little lost. Let's move this over a little bit. When you show one side, one with the stars, and the atmosphere around it. Huh. Okay. I believe you. All right. Yeah, a little smaller maybe. And then we just need to blacken that out. And then add a little bit over here. Get these filled in. I want to know what you're saying. I just like there are stars in this, so you don't like this one? Is that what you're saying? You like the different version of this? That's why I was confused. I'm like, because I like this one. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, that's good. Now let's go ahead and see if we can get rid of this a bit. Okay, you just want more purple on the outside. That's what you're saying. All right, there we go. Let's see how that works with the full-on fully black. All right. I think this might work. Definitely gets the point across. Now, do I wish there was something behind the words? Kind of. I kind of wish it did go all the way across, but I just had like a really dark gradient on it. Because it just kind of looks like cut off now. Or maybe something. Maybe just stars. Just maybe like that star, you know, kind of graphic. Yeah, I wonder if we just carry this over. That it'll fill it, and then I'll darken it, you know. But at least there'll be some texture. It won't just look like black. Because the website's a gradient, so... Alright, well, you could have tried a little bit. Okay, there we go. That's better. Oh, fuck yeah. That's sick. sometimes Photoshop's AI fucking hit something hard. Look at that. It's like the planet's sucking it in. That's awesome. But this is probably more what I'm talking about. And then, you know, I can really gradient over it. And then that will kind of give it a platform where it's not just black. Yeah, there we go. A little something, something. There we go. That's pretty cool. I think I can even cut this in a little bit. Instead of doing 50, I can do like a 45. Kind of want to push it over more, actually. So I could actually do a 45 over here too. Turn your story into a playable experience. I help storytellers and creators transform their worlds into interactive games that readers can explore directly in the browser. I couldn't have said it better myself. Let's actually change this to more like 48. Yeah, that's better. I like it. Beto for the wind. The wind. Beto for the win. I think it's great. I'm taking it. I'm stealing it. This is my landing page. This is going to make me so much money. You did it, Beto. All proceeds go to Beto. No, this is sick. I love the AI reimagining of the book, by the way. That's so cool. Sweet. I just gained access. You saw it. We have the chat stream. And now this will actually sign you up for that mailing list, so I'll know who's asking. Nah, I appreciate it, Beto. I don't think we would have came to this outcome without you, so I appreciate you being on, man. Always happy to hear. And good luck on your interview and your coding test. I know you'll do great. You're a smart dude. And yeah, let me know how it goes. Hit me up in Discord. I'll catch you in the next one, my friend. Thank you so much. Let me know. All right, well, I think we accomplished the big part. Next is going to be why I built Orbem Studio. I'll have a little section about that next. And then I'll do a section on, you know, the services I offer. Examples, you know, who would benefit from this, and then what the process is like. Yeah, no, this is all great. Alrighty. Well, I'm gonna cut out and sleep. Hey everybody, thanks for jumping on. Beto, Osama, You guys are the real ones. I really appreciate you jumping on, giving me a helping hand with your opinions and Beto with your graphical AI skills. I'll go ahead and try to keep streaming this week. You know, it's I haven't had as much things I wanted to stream lately. Like I wasn't even really into streaming this. Just because page design and web design when you're not coding, it's like, I don't know. I think people get bored of watching me use Photoshop and stuff to build assets. But, you know, I'll keep jumping on and doing it, at least if I have something to do. But I think we'll stick with the normal Monday, Wednesday, Friday cadence. You know, when I have little breaks in between during the week, it gives me more incentive to continue. But we're making a lot of great progress, and I think, you know, just having this process be out there, how I'm building everything, should be beneficial to the product, and, you know, to the reliability of me. You know, I'm not lying to anybody. This is what I'm building, and I'm actually building it, and I'm not just some rando crook company. I am an author. I built this game engine for me because I needed to be able to build a game, you know? So the authenticity is what I was trying to say. Like, I think this, streaming this and, you know, really making it open source and documenting everything I'm doing keeps the authenticity of my mission, which is to give authors another way to market their stories. You know, it's really hard these days. Everything's so ad-based, right? Like, it's the only way you can get people to even see you for a second is pay them. So it's like, if you could give another reason for readers to be excited for a story or a universe, why wouldn't you want to do that? That's what I wanted to do with Escape to Orbem. You know, I wanted people to experience the first book in a different way and even give them new dialogue that didn't exist before. But yeah, I'm just rambling now. So I will catch you on the next one. Thanks so much. Have a great night, day. See you Wednesday probably. Bye-bye. Goodbye.